Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Sephora favorites. This is the holiday lip kit set. I love these sets. It's a great way to try products or brands that you wouldn't normally pay full price for. For this box, you pay $45 and you get a retail value of $125. That is insane. That is ridiculously good. So if you guys would like to see what's inside, hear about them, see them tried on, then just keep watching. All right, so this is really, really fun. Do you guys ever put something down right in front of you and then it's lost 2 seconds later? Okay, this is what the holiday lip kit looks like. Inside we have something from Pat McGrath, Too Faced. What is this one? Urban Decay, ooh, Charlotte Tilbury, Rare Beauty, NARS, and I think this is Gwen Stefani's new line. I believe it's pronounced Give. And just for reference, the Charlotte Tilbury and the Rare Beauty are both full size. So you'd probably pay at least $45 for just those two products. So this is a really good deal. And here they are. So I'm gonna pop them all out and then we'll start with swatches. Oh, the Rare Beauty one is flat on the bottom. That's interesting. It looked like it was a round tube, but it's flat so it doesn't roll away. That's very smart. Okay, I know from previous experience that I've tried the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme and it's almost painful. I love the Grande Cosmetics Plumping Gloss. I enjoy the Physicians Formula Diamond Plumping Gloss, the Essence one. I enjoy a lot of them, but this one was too much for me, so I am going to be giving this one away. But just for reference, it does make the edges of your lips red and really irritated looking, which is how it works. It irritates the skin around your lips, making them kind of like swell. So it works really well. It's just a little too intense for me. So that's item number one. And then I'm gonna go based on like lightest to deepest so that my lips don't die too badly. So next I'm going to try the Urban Decay product. It's been a while since I've tried any Urban Decay products. This one is the Vice Hydrating Lipstick in Back Talk. This one looks like a pinky gray color. Ooh, it's very creamy. Very, very creamy. Wow, that like really glides on super easily. I would say it's like a cool, ashy, dusty pink. Very comfortable. Next, let's try this Charlotte Tilbury one. This is the iconic Pillow Talk, which I don't know if I've ever tried. I got like a mini Pillow Talk set last Christmas, but it was like the medium shade. So I'm very curious. It has the like iconic square tip, I guess if you want to call it that, the square shaped bullet. Ooh, that's nice. That's like a dusty, peachy pink. I can see why this is so loved. This is beautiful. I feel like this would match any makeup look. Here's Pillow Talk. That is really nice. Next, we'll try the little Pat McGrath Mini. I have a few like trance lipsticks from Pat McGrath, and I honestly find them to be very drying. This one is the Pat McGrath Matte Trance Lipstick in Vendetta. You can tell it's very, very, very matte. All right, I feel like I did a horrible job applying that one, but the shade is nice. Not super drying. I would say it's like a blackened red. So it's not like a cherry, it's not like a strawberry. It's like a blackened red. Forgot to swatch this one, so here is the Pat McGrath Vendetta. Next up, we have the Gwen Stefani lipstick, Give, and this one says original recipe. This is probably her like iconic red. This is like the Gwen Stefani bright pinky red shade. Coconut flavor? This one's a little bit harder to apply. It's not transferring to the lips as easily. Again, the lip line is getting wonkier as I go along, but here is the Gwen Stefani shade. Yeah, definitely like coconut or something. only two we have left are these two, and this one looks like it has a shimmer, so I'm gonna save that for the end. So next we have the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in Nearly Neutral. Ooh. So these are the ones that came out where she did like the eyes, cheek, and lip monochromatic sets, and Nearly Neutral was the one that I was interested in getting. Smells like a Stila liquid lipstick. Goes on as like a brown with maybe a hint of rose. And it's a pointed applicator, which is different. I don't feel like I'm getting much on my applicator. That's the problem. Actually, maybe I am. It's just a very thin. Are you guys seeing this? It's a little stringy from top to bottom, so I don't like the consistency of this one. No, it makes like little strings, but here is the Rare Beauty Gloss. It's been a long time since I've had a gloss that did that, which is unfortunate because I was going to say that it feels very comfortable and very thin on the lips. So I was liking the way it was going on, but I don't like that like stringy separating thing. Last one is this one from NARS. This is the Afterglow Lip Shine in Orgasm. Interesting. So this one looks orange to me, and Orgasm is like a pink blush with gold shimmer to it. So we shall see. And that's probably one of my favorite phrases, right? We shall see. Oh, okay. Here it looks a bit more pinky. That's doing it too. Maybe I just never really noticed and more glosses do it than I thought. The shade is really beautiful though. It's not a heavy pink. That's really pretty though. The sparkle is not really evident. It just looks like you have beautiful, glossy, glowing lips. So we have the Urban Decay, the Charlotte Tilbury. We have the Pat McGrath. We have the Gwen Stefani. We have the Rare Beauty, and we have the NARS gloss. And then of course the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme, which definitely is extreme. It's definitely not for me. And of these, I feel like I would probably use this one and this one. So I am still very happy that I got this set because I've been really wanting to try the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. So now I have it in my collection. So I think this is definitely worth the price tag. You pay $45 and you get $125 worth of products in here. I mean, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna say this one is definitely a thumbs up for me. I would definitely purchase this. I would recommend this as a gift for someone else or for yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing swatches and a try on of the products in this favorite set. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.